This herb sauce chicken is creamy, tasty, and healthy. By swapping ingredients and adding spices, it cuts calories, sugars, saturated fat, and sodium. You can also add other veggies you like to this recipe. This blend keeps the flavor while reducing the salt. Sear the chicken on both sides until it's golden brown, and it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees on a food thermometer. Once the onions are translucent, mix in unsalted chicken stock, lemon juice, and the everyday salt-free seasoning blend. Once the sauce boils, lower the heat to medium-low, then stir in non-fat evaporated milk and simmer to thicken. Using herbs and spices can help you make a healthy and delicious meal. For more healthy eating tips, explore myplate.gov.